As an industry leader with over 40 years of experience and pioneer of paperless operations, ULTRAMAIN provides a proven, tested, and value-driven product, our electronic logbook. We understand your aviation needs. We've developed a sophisticated yet intuitive solution to meet your needs using our unmatched experience and passion for innovation. ELB provides a full and accurate picture of aircraft logs for flight deck, cabin, and engineering users in real time. Sending data to the ground system provides instant awareness, allowing you to reduce fault resolution time regardless of the aircraft's location. By eliminating dual entry, our workflow-based system enables you to embrace the digital world with an easy-to-implement and integrate solution that will deliver a quick ROI. If you're looking for a proven system to reduce non-essential operational overhead, it's time to go paperless with ULTRAMAIN.